Hi, good evening, friends. Welcome to this special session on how to use the Gann calculator. I have explained you just 2 days back about this Gann calculator. This uses the principle of Gann square of 9. Since the concept is a little complicated, I've made a calculator and currently it can be completely free for you. What you need to do is ensure that on YouTube, I should have at least 100 likes. That's the minimum target I'm keeping. So if you can do that, at the below there will be a link. Go ahead and click on that, and you can actually put a request for me. And once I reach this 100 numbers, I'll start actually sending you all this calculator. This will be free for a limited period. I need your feedback on this, so you will be beta testers. Until unless this works perfectly, I'll be actually giving out for you for free, and I want you to make a lot of money out of this. So you can actually go ahead and put your trades and how actually it is working in this comment below in this particular YouTube video. This will help me understand it better, and if there is any bugs, you need to help me out to sort this out, so that I'll actually ensure that the calculator will work perfectly for you. I'll show you how this can be used. It can be used for all indices, even for the stocks and even for commodities everywhere. How it has to be used, I'll be showing you right now as a demo. And if I have more likes, I'll be showing it in the live market also. So let me actually show it for you with the current situation, what exactly has happened today. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and okay, let me go to the 1 second. Just a minute. Let's go to today's what you need to do is very simple. You need to just put the open price. Look at today the open price for Nifty has been 18,430. Okay, let us try to understand this. What you need to put, 18,430. So you can see this is all I need to do. I don't have to do anything. See, for all indices and for anything which has the average trading range, that is the day high minus day low is at least 100 plus, you can use this. And wherever it exceeds, you need to put the average trading range here. Put here, I'm not actually the software will take it from here and ignore this particular part that time, and you have to only look at this. Okay, wherever the average trading range is less than 100. So I'll show you for both of them. For currently for Nifty, Bank Nifty, this will work. Silver, crude, this will work. Okay. So let me show you this. So 18,430 is what I have put. Now, if you see here, now you need to understand a couple of things. See, it cannot work 100% right all the time. So what is that you need to do? You need to see here above 431, it says buy. Now, if it starts moving in that direction, it will continue to move in that particular direction. If it is failing, then it will start moving in the other direction. So, for example, if it is moving above 431, it has to go towards 452, it has to go towards 496, it has to go towards 541. It has to keep moving in this direction only. If it is actually coming down, it has to keep moving towards 421, 391, 352 in this direction. So let us see what actually happened today. And here what you need to understand is, for intraday purpose, generally I say don't look at more than two targets. Two targets, that means 452, 496 should be good. For the third target, suppose we are able to hold above this third target. Okay, in that case, the whole day the market is more likely to be on this side only, that is on the positive side. Okay, it could be more on the trending side. And if you look at this, today market has done the fourth target also. Fifth target it was not able to do. Okay, so let me actually show you this. Above 431, what exactly has happened here? Let me go to the calculator. Look at this. So let me mark to you. So 431, I think none of us were able to get that particular move. Let us actually forget about that. See, it started somewhere here only. for 496, I think 460, 470. That is where actually the move started moving very fast from 439. See, 431, it has to come towards 460, I think 465, then 494. And above this, it has to be positive. If you see, is three targets, sorry, two targets were done, and the fourth target was 541. If you see here, exactly at here, this level, it is 541. Above this, as long it stays, it is completely on the positive side. And if you see here, continuously it has moved here up to 613. So the last target is what was not done here. So for Nifty, this is what was happening here. Okay, and Nifty was very strong. And see, what happens is, you need to observe this. As long as it is above 431, it should be in this range of 431 to 452. Once it starts moving above this, it has to be between 452 to 496. Once it starts moving above that, it has to be between 496 to 541. So if you see here, the number range will also increase quite a lot as we move ahead. Now, here the challenge is, if it starts, see, if it has hit 451 and then it starts coming towards 496 and starts coming down, that means for the intraday there is a change in direction. It could be sideways, so don't expect any, you cannot catch all the moves. Don't expect too much of a move catching here. Let me show you something with Bank Nifty. Let's talk about Bank Nifty. I'll show you both the direction trade, how you could actually capture. Look at this. The open is at 43,192. Okay. Let me put that 43,192. Okay. What it says, above 43,208, you can look at buy. And 1 second, is this correct? Sorry, I have put the wrong figure. 42,757. 41 second. Forty-two 757. This is what you need to put. Okay. If you see here, 785, 841. These are the two targets. Above this, the third target is 901. And as I said, if it can cross and hold above this, it can go towards the fourth and fifth target. If you see here in Bank Nifty, it actually went beyond this also. It was able to go much beyond this, much beyond 43,025. It went up to 43,130, I think. Look at this. If you look at what has happened in case of Bank Nifty, here at that exact level, it was consolidating quite a lot. And once it was able to breach that, it was able to go beyond this. So what is very important is, you should have your technical analysis ready. And based on that, you can look at this. See, for Bank Nifty, let me tell you something very important. For Bank Nifty, 43,100 is very important number. Okay, so consider that to be your immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, it is 18,570. This is also based on Gann only. Okay, so these are two numbers you need to remember. So if you look at this, it went beyond this and it has topped out this. So you need to see, if I have to look at any kind of a reversal when things are moving in the positive type, ideally you should look at after 11:30, 12:30. So that will be more ideal. And whenever you see that a top is formed, see, it has to be something like this. If you see here, continuously there is movement, and there actually, this is where you can find a top or a bottom. Okay, so here ideally, if you look at this, the top, I can consider this as 43,134. See, if the top breaches and a new top is formed, this will not work. So whatever I am saying here currently, it is only applicable if you are good in the market, if you are good in reading charts and you know the resistances, then only you can use this. Otherwise, don't actually use this. Okay, so it is 43,134. Let me come here. What I need to do is I just have to change this 43,134, right? Let me just see this 43,159. 160 I'll put. Okay. So if you look at this, now the fresh buying now will be only above 43,174 and 43,157. If it starts coming below this, then it has all the potential to come towards this 43,106, 43,041, and 42,977. The stop loss is going to be 43,174. So you need to understand that, and as long as it is going, you can use these for trailing stop losses. And if the trailing stop losses hit, see, you have to be very fast here. Okay, so here if you see the trailing stop losses, if you had considered, then it would have hit, but it has given all the three targets. Look at this. It went here, it came up to 43,001, and then again it went up to 43,125, and then again it has gone and done this. So that means what it has done here, from here it went to this, then till this, then till this. Okay, then it did not go here, it did the two targets, then it has gone above this 106, it could not cross this 157. Then again it has fallen down, and there it has actually come and tested the third one also. Okay, so this is what has happened here. So you have got five targets here and more than that in Bank Nifty, and on the reversal also you could have got around three targets. So this is the beauty of this particular calculator. If you use this effectively, it can work amazing. So you can use this same for silver and the crude also. The same thing has to be done. For stocks, you need to just put the average trading range here, and instead of looking at this, start looking here. Okay, so I'll try to do a separate video on that sometime later. So if you are liking this, go ahead, like this video. I need 100 likes, and if you are able to give me 100 plus likes, then I'll be doing this in the live market, and you click on the link below and request for the calculator. I'll be sharing you all the calculator for free only if we are able to cross this 100 plus likes. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.